Hey, I'm Brian Patrick Flynn. I'm the interior designer of HGTV Urban Oasis 2019. The house is just steps from Minnehaha Falls, which is one of the most spectacular parks in Minnesota. So I've taken a ton of my design inspiration from the indoor-outdoor lifestyle that comes with this area. We're going to introduce a lot of black and white both in and outside the house. Very Scandinavian, very simple, very timeless, but then I also want to introduce color as well in a really fun, unique way. The colors will be a little bit more subdued, like this blue-gray, and then also we're going to bring in different shades of pink, as you see right here, and then some aqua for a little touch of fun. I have some mood boards here as well to give you sneak peek of what the rooms will feel like. This is the living room. Everything is very, very simple. Got a Scandinavian vibe going on in every room in the house, and it's all about hygge, H-Y-G-G-E, and that is a word that means the feeling of home. Basically, it's the familiarity of being in a place that's yours, where you feel comfortable, and it's all about you. So we're gonna have an L-shaped sectional here, all different shades of gray for our upholstery to keep it simple and classic. Also, we're gonna bring in some Scandinavian pattern right here on the rug. Very classic Scandinavian or Danish modern light fixtures like you see here. Then with accessories, we're gonna play up the Viking culture. Even this candelabra right here has the look of a Viking ship. The dining room is right next door to the living room, and it carries on that same palette. White, black, touches of gray, and everything is organic and or natural. We've got a concrete base on our dining table with a rustic wood top, classic metal touches throughout, then also leather floor covering. And in true Nordic fashion, you're going to see a lot of sheepskin throws both inside and outside the house. On the floor, we're going to have this whitewashed wood on the main floor and the top floor. Very Scandinavian, very light and bright, and it's gonna help really reflect light around the house. We're going to have a ton of large windows. So the idea of light floors to help bounce that light around is gonna be magical. In the bathroom, we're not only going to have this on the floors, this is gonna carry up on the wall in the shower as well. So all organic, very classic, timeless materials everywhere. When it comes to the windows, I like the idea of them being covered in something that's very practical. So we have these cellular shades, and as you see, they expand and contract, and they also help keep the house cool or warm. Then, other windows where we really want to bounce light around, we're going to have cellular shades in white, which really help diffuse the light and create this beautiful, magical glow throughout the space. That's all I can show you for now. Keep checking back for progress on HGTV Urban Oasis 2019 in the beautiful northern city of Minneapolis, Minnesota.